Alright everyone, welcome back to Last Call. I'm excited. I just checked into Yaamava Resort and Casino in Southern California. Fun fact about this one, it's actually the second most visited attraction in Southern California aside from Disneyland. So it's a really big property. I'm at the hotel here. I'll go ahead and spin the camera and show you around, but yeah, it's actually the sister property to Palms Casino that I did a tour of, about a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago in Las Vegas. So anyway, without further ado, let me go ahead and flip the camera here. I'll show you around. This room's actually really nice. So here's the front door. It's where you walk in, of course. Let's see what's over here. Closet, okay. So you have yourself a bathrobe. You can hang all your stuff right here. You guys could probably see what I can't, but yeah, whatever's up here. Iron. You have a safe down here, so it does have a safe. That's good. I've never had any major issues, but in a foreign country, I usually like to use the safe. Or in Vegas, you know, when you're gambling, you have a lot of cash and stuff like that. Here is the bathroom. So here's your toilet. So that one has its separate door too. So if you're not here by yourself, you want some privacy, of course, it does have a door. Actually, I should point this out too. Even right here, this entrance to the general, like the bathroom, the sink and all that, that actually has its own door too. So you actually have a lot of privacy if you're not by yourself. It's actually really cool. Here is the sink area. Actually, a really nice sink. Let me turn this light on. Oh, here we go. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's a really nice sink area. Plenty of space. Here's your towels down here. Hair dryer. Plenty of mirror space. How we doing? You already saw me. Makeup mirror for the ladies and whoever's into that. Your amenities it comes with, looks like there's Q-tips in there, bar soap, a couple other things, cotton balls, bar soap, lotion, tissues. This is for, okay, you got more stuff in there, shower cap. Oh no, there's some stuff in there. Oh, shower mitt. Okay, so there's all kinds of stuff in there. So, I mean, they give you a lot of amenities. I give them that. And here's the shower. So it's one of those showers that I love, you know, from like the ceiling type. I love those type of showers. Really big shower though. Really big shower area. Gosh, I think 4 or 5 people can probably fit in there. But yeah, if you don't like the ones that come from above, you also have your regular nozzle there. You have more stuff here. So they actually give you plenty of stuff you need. Lotion, body wash, conditioner, shampoo, bar soap. So there's no shortage on that. And again, you can see the shower. So now I'm in the main room part, right? You can see the shower from there, which is interesting. But don't worry, because there's also a curtain. So you can cover it up. Bam. Problem solved. Now you can't see the shower. But this is really nice. This is actually a really nice area. Beautiful bathroom. And then, you know, like I said, so here's your shower, and I'm in the bedroom part now, right? If you go this way, that's my view. So you'd probably want to cover that up for more privacy, but they would need like binoculars or something to spy on you. But yeah, just for privacy purposes, you might want to close your curtains if you're showering here. Here's your AC. Control your AC right here. Just for decorations, a lamp, some storage space down here. You have a nice TV. That's a really nice TV, LED, flat screen. Here's your desk area. So actually, nice desk too. I remember the Palms desk being really spacey. This one is too. And it looks brand new. The carpet, it has that new smell to it. So you could tell these rooms are really new. So in here you have like some stationery stuff, pen, paper, envelopes. Here's a menu in case you guys wanted some in-room delivery for some food or something like that, all orders incur 21% service charge and $5 delivery fee. So you guys are going to be paying the delivery fee and a 21% tip. So that's kind of cool for whoever works here, at least they don't get stiffed on a tip. But yeah, they have some different stuff, starters, queso fundido, a poke bowl, tomato soup. They have salads, they have sandwiches, burgers. I mean, for hotel prices, I would say this is pretty standard. Pizzas, margarita, pepperoni. So yeah, anyway, just showing you guys there is some options here. Here's a bed. This is a king size bed. So it's just me tonight, so I just have a king size bed in here. Let's see, in here you have a telephone, nice digital telephone. I never use them anyway. You have your light. You do have a USB outlet right there. That's how you control your lights. They all have an on off. Like I said, this is a king size bed. Seems really comfortable so far. These are actually nice size pillows. Some hotels have like tiny pillows. Those look like good size pillows, so that's cool. On the other side, you actually see this from the palms, and this one has it too. The wireless charger on top of you have my phone charging right now. But yeah, you see it does have a wireless charger as well. There's another same thing, USB outlet, on off switch for the lights above. This is a cool little chair with the footrest too. So it has a cool little chair and a footrest. It's really nice actually. And then here's the view. So this casino is kind of out in the boonies, a little bit in Highland, California. Actually, it's not that bad compared to other casinos in the area. But yeah, this one's about a 35-minute drive for me from home. I do like to come out here at least once or twice a month to gamble when I don't go to Vegas. This is the nearest place I can come and gamble a little bit. I will be gambling today, so I'll probably make a separate gambling video and probably a couple of cocktails with it, maybe an old fashioned or something. So I'll make at least one separate video from now on, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, this is a view. I mean, it's, you get to see downstairs, whatever, so it's cool. Up here you just have a mountain area. There's some homes up there too. But yeah, anyway, let's get back to the room. It's what this tour is about, right? So yeah, you got your chair here, little stand, you could put whatever you want right here. You can have a beer and put your beer there, whatever. So yeah, here's a view from this side of it one more time. So king size bed. You have a desk. You can probably see a good angle of it from here. So it is a decent sized desk right there. Nice TV. The bathroom, here you go. I'm amazed with this bathroom. I love this bathroom. Kind of wish I was staying here more than one night. But yeah, really nice shower. I'm excited to shower in there. It's going to be great. Hopefully I can go to the pool in the morning if I wake up early enough, but no promises. If I do, I'll show you around. If not, I apologize in advance, but I'm going to be gambling and drinking tonight. And I work tomorrow too, so in the afternoon, but I have some time. So yeah, anyway, shower. Once again, toilet area, all have separate doors, so you have plenty of privacy. That's not an issue here. Once again, the room, you have a mirror, and then here's a closet, here's the door. So again, really nice room. So far, really like it. It's been amazing. Yeah, so this is great so far. So if you guys want a nice room in Southern California with nice cool amenities, a casino right downstairs and everything, I highly recommend this place so far. But I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, welcome back. Just got back to my room. I was out in the casino for about 2 hours. I'm down about $100, so please give me some luck my way so I can win later. But yeah, basically went and had some pizza from one of the restaurants, had a couple of beers there. Now I'm back in my room. I just made some coffee. So this actually has an espresso machine. It's actually really cool. Probably the nicest one I've ever used. They have some nice coffee options there. So I'm super impressed with everything in this room. It's really good actually. I just made myself a little espresso. It's really good. I really like it. And I got myself a slice of pizza. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this right now, and then I'm gonna go back out to the casino and try my luck a little bit more. So please wish me luck. Other than that, yeah, everything here has been super impressive so far. The room, everything's been great. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my pizza, go back out, try my luck. I will have a video coming out soon of me gambling, putting like $20 or $100 into the machine to see how it does. I'll be doing that after I eat, so wish me luck on that. But yeah, please, if you've enjoyed this video, if you're in Southern California, come check out Yaamava. It's really cool, actually. But yeah, if you've enjoyed this video, please hit the like button for me. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And yeah, just please don't drink and drive. Please drink responsibly. This is a view from outside of my room right now. It's something. The lights are cool, you know. But yeah, anyway, please don't drink and drive. Please drink responsibly. Just make today count. It's a beautiful day. Thank you so much. Come check out Yaamava. Have a good one.